Welcome to BioJar, and in today's video, something that truly fascinates my mind. I filmed these tiny bladder snails, these little embryos, and I had this footage and I wanted to share it with you guys because capturing their tiny little heartbeats really opened my eyes to how important even the smallest of creatures are. See, I'm becoming a father myself, and it could happen any day now. My wife is pregnant and we have a beautiful little girl on the way. It's just one of the reasons why I want this channel to kind of grow, because I want to support my family in a way that I can be there and I can be around all the time to support them. I now look at things very differently, like tiny little bladder snail embryos. I know that bladder snails can be a pest in some hobbyist tanks, but when you look at them from the beginning, you kind of realize how fragile and beautiful these little tiny creatures are. And I guess every other little embryo out there. And now that I'm becoming a father, I see this a little bit more clearly. So I hope you enjoy this video. And just sit back, relax, and enjoy the tiny little heartbeats of these bladder snail embryos. So if you like this content, please like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy the video.